Hello, welcome to News of China for January the 20th. I'm your host Lu Yang. This is ETV News right now. Beijing insisted Friday it was opposed to an arms race in space after Japan and Britain joined a chorus of concern over a satellite-killing missile tested by China, the first known experiment of its type in more than 20 years. The United States says China used a ground-based ballistic missile to shoot apart an aging weather satellite on January the 11th, scattering debris that could damage other satellites and raising risks of escalating military rivalry in outer space. A Chinese Foreign Ministry spokesman declined to confirm or deny the incident, but said Beijing wanted no arms race in space. Sinopec, Asia's top refiner, has called for a more market-oriented oil pricing mechanism in 2007 after struggling last year to refine more oil at higher cost for local consumption. Huang Wensheng, spokesperson for Beijing-based Sinopec, said a more market-based fuel pricing system will certainly benefit our business by smoothing our operation. In a public statement on Thursday, Sinopec announced it processed 146.32 million tons of crude in 2006, up 4.56% over the previous year. Oil products Sinopec delivered to the market reached 111.68 million tons last year, growing 6.81% over 2005. Although the refining output is up, the 4.56% growth rate in 2006 is the lowest in 4 years as global prices soared and import costs jumped. China Telecom Corporation, the Chinese mainland's largest fixed-line operator, said yesterday it added 12.95 million users last year, slowing from 2005, partly because it cut back on promotions of a citywide wireless service. The company had 223.04 million subscribers, including users of Little Smart, at the end of 2006. China Telecom and fixed-line rival China Netcom Group Corporation Hong Kong Limited are easing promotions of Little Smart before the government issues licenses for high-speed phone networks. User growth at fixed-line operators is also slowing because more people are using mobile phones. The mainland hasn't set a timetable for awarding permits for so-called third-generation or 3G services, which allow faster downloads of video and music. China Telecom added 640,000 subscribers in December, the smallest monthly growth last year. China Netcom, which doesn't report monthly numbers, had 119.5 million subscribers, including 30,000 for Little Smart at the end of September. Jinpan International Limited, a Chinese maker of Castle coil transformers, on Friday declared a dividend of 24 cents for the year. The company will pay the dividend in 2 distributions, with the first to be paid February 22nd to shareholders of record on February the 8th. Jinpan said it will pay the second distribution during the second half of the year. Chinese solar panel cell maker JA Solar Holdings Company filed to sell 15 million American depository shares priced between $12.50 to $14.50 each in an initial public offering. In a Form F-1 filed with the Securities and Exchange Commission Tuesday, the Chinese company said each American depository share represents 3 ordinary shares. JA Solar hopes to be listed on the Nasdaq Global Market under the symbol JASO. The underwriters, which are CIBC World Markets, Piper Jaffray, RBC Capital Markets and Needham & Company are authorized to buy up to an additional 2,250,000 American Depository shares to cover over allotments. China Mobile Limited, the world's biggest cell phone operator by number of users, said yesterday the company earned 96.8 billion yuan, which is $12.46 billion in profit before tax last year, growing 23% from a year earlier. Its sales income reached 285.3 billion yuan, rising 21% from a year earlier. The company gained a record of 4.83 million subscribers last month, bringing the total number of users to 318 million, up 20% from 2005. This is the news for today. Thanks for watching. See you next time.